Hello children, welcome to my class. Today in this video we will study about the lesson number 4 of grade 4 EVS, that is roots support of the plant. After studying this lesson you will be able to understand the functions of the root, and the roots of some plants are modified into food. Children, in your previous class, you already learnt about the plant, isn't it? Yes, and also you observed different parts of a plant. Then name the parts of a plant which you can see. Yes, root, stem, leaves, flowers, buds, fruit and branches. Yes, these are the different parts of the plant which you can see on the plant. Now tell me, where do the roots of a plant grow? The roots of a plant grow below the ground. Okay. Where it grows? Below the ground. Can you see the roots which grows below the ground? No. Because they grow below the ground, isn't it? But other parts of a plant such as stem, leaves, flowers, birds and branches grow above the ground, which you can see easily. Now, you understood that the part of a plant, that is, roots grow below the soil and other parts such as stem, leaves, flowers, buds grow above the soil. Children, have you seen the roots of the plant? If yes, maybe everyone has seen the roots of a plant, isn't it? If no, no problem. Children, if you have plants near your house, pluck a plant and see. Without damaging the roots, you can see the roots and also the other parts such as stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. Okay. Which plant's roots have you seen, children? Okay, whichever plant's roots have you seen, you can note it. Here, see this picture. I am showing the root of a tulsi. What is the color of the root? The color of the root will be mostly brown color. See here, some activities are given in the text. Shall we see? Yes. Take 2 coconut shells or small tin boxes. Fill both of them with soil. Put some ragi or paddy grains in one shell. Don't put anything in the other shell. Sprinkle some water on both the shells daily. The ragi or paddy grains germinate within a week. After seedlings grow bigger, invert both the shells. Observe the soil of both the shells. You can observe that the roots have become grown bigger. The seed which we have put in the shell have become the smaller roots. Okay, one more observation you can find. What is that? The small seedlings grown into saplings after a week. Yes or no? That means the ragi or paddy grains, what we put in a shell, after a week, the grains grown into a saplings. Children, all of you try this activity in your home and observe gradually, day by day. Gradually, the grains will grow into a saplings after a week. You can see. Roots bind the soil particles together like a web. Have you seen spider web, children? Like spider web, the roots also bind soil particles together. This helps or supports the plant to stand straight or firmly on the ground. If root will be not there, what will happen? Just think. the plant cannot stand straight or erect. Okay. You take a plant and cut the roots of a plant and see. Without root, can plant stand straight? No, it is not possible. By this, we can understand that without the help of the root, plant cannot stand and it cannot grow. So, root is the very essential, important part of the plant which helps the plant to stand straight to the ground, and it also supports the plant. Okay. Like this, two more activities are given. See here, take some horse gram seeds and sow them in the garden of your house. Saplings sprout after a few days. Pull out two such plants gently without damaging roots. Cut the roots of one plant. Let the other plant be as it is. Take two pots having wide mouths. Make holes at the bottom of the pots so that the excess water can be drained out. Fill both the pots with soil and place one plant in each pot. Keep them in the sunlight and pour sufficient water daily. After 2 or 3 days, observe changes in the plants. What are the observations you can see? You can write in your note. And one more, the roots absorb water and nutrients essential for the plants from the soil. Where do we put water to the plant? Yes, we put water to the soil. The roots which are growing below the soil absorb the water and send it to the upper parts of the plant. Water and nutrients reach the stem, leaves through the roots. Okay. One more activity. To this, take a glass bottle or tumbler, fill it with water. Add 1 or 2 drops of red ink or any other color. Pull out balsam plant from the soil gently without damaging its roots. Wash the roots of the plant and put the plant in the colored water. Keep it in the sunlight. Observe the plant the next day. What did you observe? Yes, the water. Soil, from the soil, roots absorb water. Okay. What are all the water and mineral will be there in the soil? It will go up to the leaves by the help of root. Understood, children? Okay. By some of these activities, we can understand root is the part of a plant that helps it in fixing firmly to the soil. Roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil and hold the plant firmly in the ground. Okay. One more activity, children. Let us do an activity. Okay. Try to uproot a bunch of grass. You will find it difficult to do. Do you know why? Yes, because root also fixes plant to the soil. Roots of the plant holds the soil together. This stops the soil from being washed away due to heavy rain. Okay? Roots are of two types. One is taproot and another one is fibrous root. Some plants like carrot, radish and beetroot have one main root with thinner roots growing from it. This is called taproot. These roots grow deep into the soil. Most trees have taproots. Second one is fibrous root. Some plants like grasses, wheat and coconut tree do not have a main root. They have a bunch of small roots. These are called fibrous roots. Understood? So, Root is the part of a plant that helps it in fixing firmly to the soil. Roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil and hold the plant firmly in the ground. Okay, what do plants' roots do to the soil? Roots help plants get the nutrients and water they need for healthy growth, isn't it? They also give back to the soil. The deeper and wider they go, the more benefits they provide to the soil fertility. Understood, children? Okay. Okay, then see here, some of the vegetables are you can see the vegetables like radish, carrot, beetroot, sweet potato. From which part of the plant do you get this? We get these from the roots of the plant. Finally, here in the textbook, the names of 4 roots you have to mention and also their uses. One is given, Ashwagandha is a root. Second example, ginger. It is also a root used as food and medicine. Why do we use ginger as a food and as a medicine? As a food, your mother will put ginger in your vegetables and in your curries and she will prepare food, right? As a medicine, we use ginger for acidity and stomach pain. If you eat little ginger with black salt, the acidity and stomach pain will go. Okay. Next example, sweet potato. We use as a vegetable. And fourth, carrot. We will use as vegetable. Using carrot, we will prepare carrot halwa, juice, carrot rice, many more items. Okay, children. We use different roots to eat and also as a medicine. Understood? This is all about the root support of the plant. Some facts are given in the text. We will see. There is a record that a farmer in Britain grew a carrot as long as 19 feet in the year 2007. Understood? In the year 2007, a farmer in Britain grew a carrot as long as 19 feet. The root of a plant of grass family is 600 kilometers. This is the distance from Bengaluru to Kalaburgi. Think of it. There are records that a banyan tree spread more than 5 acres with the help of its prop roots. For example, the big banyan tree in Bengaluru. Thank you, children, for watching this video.